Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we reveal the future of tech before it becomes cool. Today, we're diving deep into what might be the most game-changing drone release of 2025, the rumored DJI Avata 360. If you care about cinematic aerial footage, creative 360-degree video, or just love next-gen gear, stay with me because what we know so far will blow your mind. Picture this. You launch a drone, hit record, and capture the world around you in full. Immersive 360, no external rigs. No complicated stitching, no multi-camera setup. It's just one drone and everything. That's the promise of the Avata 360. Early leaks and certifications reveal something massive. The Avata 360 recently cleared certification with the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, hinting that its US release is just around the corner. That alone tells us DJI is serious. They wouldn't push this through unless they were ready. But what's under the hood? Rumors point to dual 1.1-inch CMO sensors borrowed from DJI's on advanced camera lineage, giving us native 360 capture capability. And when it comes to video, think 8K 360 or 4K at high frame rates for classic FPV style footage. That's insane. Imagine flying over a sweeping landscape. The drone buffers the entire panorama. Later in editing, you choose which angle you want, forward, back, even straight down, all from the same flight. No need to refly, no second options. One flight. Full creative freedom. From leaked test flights, battery life seems improved too. Reportedly, the new battery offers roughly 25% more capacity compared to previous Avata models. That means longer flights, more time to capture cinematic shots, or immersive 360-degree footage without constantly rushing for landing. And here's something else. Versatility. According to insiders, the Avata 360 may come with a removable spherical guard or cage. Want a classic Cinewhoop drone instead of a full 360? Remove the cage. You get a lighter, nimble FPV drone. Want full 360 capture for immersive cinematic video? Put the cage on. One drone, two modes. That's smart design. Why does this matter? Because up until now, 360-degree drone footage has required external 360 cameras glued on, complicated rigs, or post-production stitching nightmares. The Avata 360 aims to simplify this. Make it plug and play. That's a big shift for creators, filmmakers, vloggers, even real estate and travel content producers. Now, let's talk about timing. Multiple sources suggest a launch before end of 2025, maybe within weeks, given FCC approval is done and rumors around pricing and leaks are circulating. This could be one of DJI's last major releases before a potential broader US regulatory crackdown. Pricing leaks are hopeful. They indicate that the Fly More combo or standard kit might land around $999 or slightly more depending on region. That would make 360-degree drone capture much more accessible than we've imagined. If you are a content creator, travel vlogger, cinematographer, FPV artist, this could be a total game changer. One drone to rule them all, immersive footage, cinematic aerial content, flexibility in editing, and long flight times. But yes, there are still unknowns. Since DJI hasn't officially announced anything, everything we know is from leaks, FCC filings, and insider reports. We don't yet have full confirmation about frame rates, final sensor specs, or shipping bundles. But all signs are pointing to something real and huge. Let's walk through what makes the Avata 360 such a big deal and why you should watch this space closely. First, immersive 360 video plus FPV flexibility. Conventional drones capture a fixed field of view. You point where you fly, and that's what you get. With Avata 360, DJI aims to give you a full spherical view, meaning you can reframe the shot in post. Want to look straight down? Done. Want to turn the view 1/480 after the flight? Done. Want to go FPV fast flying mode with classic cinematic tilt? Also done. One flight, multiple possibilities. Second, simplified creative workflow. No need for external 360 cameras. No complicated RIGS or stitching software nightmares. Your drone captures everything natively. Later in editing, you choose your angles. It saves time, reduces post-processing headaches, and opens up creative freedom. Third, better battery and flight time. Early reports suggest around 25 to 30% battery improvement compared to earlier models. That means longer sessions, longer 360-degree takes, more flexibility to chase the perfect shot, especially for creators who shoot action, travel, or cinematic sequences. Fourth, dual mode design. The removable protective cage spherical. Guard means you're not locked into 360 mode. Whether you need a sleek, fast FPV drone for racing or cinematic flying, or an immersive 360 drone for creative work, switch with a click. That versatility is something no current drone offers out of the box without third-party mods. Fifth, price. Potentially very competitive. With rumors placing the Avata 360 near $999 for the Fly More combo, this drone could undercut many. Specialized 360 rigs or modular drone camera plus 360 camera combos, that makes this much more accessible, especially for independent creators or smaller production budgets. But I want you to take this with optimism with caution, because until DJI officially confirms, nothing is final. Specs could change. Price could shift, release date could slip, but based on the leaks, documents like FCC filing, and timing, we may be very close to official announcement. So if you care about capturing immersive aerial footage, if you care about being ahead of the curve, if you want one drone that gives you freedom, 360 cinematic FPV, creative flexibility, then you should keep your eyes on the Avata 360. Now imagine what kind of content you can make with it. Drone travel vlogs where viewers can literally look around. Real estate showcase flights where potential buyers can pan around inside a 360 view. Action sports footage, maybe a mountain bike descent or surfing, captured in 360, giving people freedom to choose their angle. Documentary-style shots, cinematic sweeping landscapes that you can reframe later. This is the kind of creative freedom that could push drone content to the next level. Before you go, a quick reality check. This isn't for everyone. If you just shoot simple travel clips for social media, a regular drone might still do. But if you're serious about content creation, immersive storytelling, or cinematic flexibility, this could be a once-in-a-generation kind of tool. Alright, if you enjoyed this breakdown, if you're as hyped as me about what the Avata 360 could bring, smash that like button. Subscribe to Tap Tech and hit the bell so you don't miss the moment DJI officially drops this beast. I'll be first to bring you hands-on review, raw flight footage, and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. This could be the start of a whole new chapter in drone filmmaking. See you in the skies.